Hi everybody, in today's video we'll be talking about a very special number, a 3-digit number that is 495. But what is so special about this number? It is just a general regular 3-digit number. Or maybe it's not. Let me show you how it's special. So you take any 3-digit number in the word. For example, let us take 627, 627. Now using the digits of 627, that is 6, 2 and 7, I want you to make the largest and the smallest possible number. So using 627, I think the largest number that we can make is 762 and the smallest number that we can make is 267. Now you subtract the smallest number from the largest number, 762 minus 267, and this will give you 495. Amazing, isn't it? If you try it with any other 3-digit number, this will work. Brilliant, right? Well, in this case, you got the right answer in just one step. But in some cases, you might have to repeat the process multiple times. For example, let's take this number 326. So what is the largest and the smallest number that we can make? That is 632 and 236. So if I subtract 236 from 632, I would be getting 396. Now you have to repeat the process with the digits of 396. So the largest number would be 963 and the smallest would be 369. So you subtract the smallest from the largest, you get 594. Now once again, you repeat the process with 594. You get the largest number as 954 and smallest as 459. And this time when you subtract the smallest number from the largest number, you once again get 495. You can try this with any 3-digit number in the word. You will always end up with 495. Stay tuned for many more such interesting tricks. Bye.